Oil prices traded with moderate bullishness, yet we have seen $74 levels offering it a very good resistance, and we have seen a struggle at 74. While on the downside, the supports played out very well, and it is yet to breach below 72, the critical support. While natural gas stayed bullish, it is closed above $4 levels, it is moved towards 4.08. Yes, I have maintained this very early, and I have clearly told this that once it trades beyond 3.8, $4 has to be there, and now $4 level are taken. Can we expect 4.2, 4.4 today? The storage data today in natural gas might bring further volatility here. So what to expect for oil and gas today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update. The next one will be there before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notification for both the updates. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil followed with gas. Watch till the end. See oil on the hourly chart. See, look at one sharp candle here. The complete movement is engulfed within this candle. Thus, it is pretty important for oil to break beyond 74, 74.2. And if you see oil trading beyond 74, 74.2, consider this as a breakout, and then we can expect 75. Notice after the retracement it is consolidated, and now once it breaks out, it may give you stronger bullish momentum. The moving averages are trading bullish here. Stochastic is rising. The MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge crossover for a buy. The RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour chart, similar is the observation. You can see it is stayed sideways here. And now on the downside, we know that what the lows what we had seen 72 should offer a very good support. In fact, even if you see oil now trading below 72.8, you can take a sell. First target to be towards 72.4, then you can expect 72. Once it trades below 72, more bearishness should follow. But notice what's happening after the rise. It is consolidated and now seen taking support from the 20 period. Whenever you see such supports coming into place, a breakout can be expected here. But I'll say you have to wait for it to stay beyond 74 in order to confirm this break. The stochastic is flat here, while the MACD is trading with moderate bearishness. The RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, notice what has happened here. If you look at one candle, we have seen a strong bearish candle. Now see this multiple candles taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back. At the same time, lower highs are seen. So it is very important for oil to trade beyond 74 levels here. Beyond 74, certainly more bullishness might till 74 is not taken. You have to exercise a bit of caution. And remember, see earlier in this week, what we had seen a gap up here. We have seen $75 levels offering it a good resistance. So beyond 75, this time it might deliver a stronger move on the upside. The indicators have certainly cooled down, while the moving averages are still bullish. The stochastic is rising. See, this is what I meant. After the crossover, see the MACD is trading still with bearishness. And since it was at extremes, you have seen a good retracement. Now this is possible for oil to cross over again for a buy. RSI placed comfortably as well here. Coming to 4 hour charts, when you see the 4 hour charts, see consolidation is going on. We have to wait for it to break on the upside beyond 74, 74.2, which will confirm the next move towards 75. And this time, remember, if it stays beyond 75, we are waiting for a greater up move. 20 period offering it a very good support. Does this mean till 72 you have to exercise extra caution? The stochastic placed comfortably. The MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily, notice on the daily charts what we had seen. First of all, the day before we had seen a good pullback. The yesterday's candle closing in a doji here. Now once you see it is staying beyond 74, 74.2, expect it to move towards 74.8, 75. And today if you see oil trading beyond 75, is stay bullish for 76.2. And even if you see it staying beyond 676.2, it can deliver a further up move towards 77.4, 78.6, and $80 levels. Very though such a move appears difficult in oil. Remember, oil is entering into a bullish territory here. After the crossover in the moving averages, we have seen oil delivering consistently higher lows, higher highs here, and this time if it breaches, certainly bullishness can increase here. But now if you notice, see the stochastic has cooled down after this couple of retracement candles, but when you see the MACD, this is trading with extreme divergence. It is not that it cannot rise further, but too much of divergence calls for it to start converging. Start converging means increase in bearishness. Also, RSI is overbought here. So looking at this, see, once you see it staying below 73 today, you can take a sell. Yes, below 73 you should take a sell, expect 72.4 as the first target, 71.8 as the next. And if that is taken, then 71.2, 71 should be the third target. Below that, $70 level should appear. See, these are uncertain times when it can fly higher. If it can rise strongly, it can drop sharp as well. Thus, you need to be trading with caution here. So take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. And before we proceed, see how easily under 5 minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and arrived at the levels. If you're also looking forward to learn this art of trading, join my 33rd mentorship batch starting 30th of June. Do not miss this opportunity. Connect with me. Write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, also you can connect with me. Also, once you have your trades in place, it is important to have a safer place to trade, the trusted partner which can offer you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. Now let's move to natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly charts hitting the highs at 4.08, now trying to consolidate a bit, delivering higher lows here. Now yesterday I've mentioned once it trades beyond 3.984 dollar zone, you can expect a good rise. You can see it moving towards 4.1, 4.2 zone. Can it move towards 4.2? Yes, if you see it is staying now even beyond 4.06 levels here, you can initiate a buying entry and expect it to move towards 4.1, first target zone, and in fact 4.2 the next. But notice how it has been trading. After every rise, it's offset with a little drop, and thus it may try to kiss 20 period before showing an up move here. But yes, remember, breaching past 4.1, strong bullishness should prevail. The storage data today might add up to the fuel here. The moving averages are definitely staying bullish here. Stochastic rising, while the MACD after a good rise it has crossed over for a sell. This is not a supportive sign for the bulls, because see, after a good rise it is looking downwards, which suggests more bearishness out here. RSI has dropped. Coming to 2 hour charts, likewise on the 2 hour charts, a rise offset with a drop, and now after the rise it may try to offset with a drop here. It may try to fall back below $4 zone. However, right now the signs are not very much supportive of same. If you see the stochastic, this is trading bearish. The MACD, after a good rise, it is on the verge of a crossover. So also it is not that it cannot rise further, but yes, it has seen a good enough rise. So possible crossover on the downside cannot be denied. The RSI is staying overbought. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts here, higher lows, lower highs here. Wait for it to come out of this zone. And if you see it is staying below 4.04, when you see the higher prices below 4.04, take a sell for $4 levels. Now 3.98, which was the resistance earlier, should act as a greater support. If you see it is staying below 3.98, we can expect more bearishness here, which could take it all the way towards 3.94 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought here. The MACD has seen a good rise. It is trying to converge here, not yet crossed over though. Wait for this to cross over, which will confirm the beginning of further down move. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to 4 hour charts, now notice the bullishness was stronger. The retracement candles are very smaller in size. This suggests that there is still inherent bullishness here, and this confirms that prices can still give you a breakout here, but I will say wait for it to breach beyond 4.1. This will confirm the breakout here. Yes, in general, when you see the bullish candle is bigger and the candles retracing are smaller in size, it gives you a breakout again. So let's wait for this to happen. This is natural gas. It can do wonders here. Moving averages are definitely trading bullish here. When you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD has seen a good retracement. It has not yet crossed over though. It is trying to converge, but right now staying bullish. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, what we did discuss that after this good rise, prices have retraced. It is trading in this consolidation zone, and once it breaches out, it may give you a stronger move. What has happened? We have seen it trading beyond 3.8 levels yesterday, and now it has also seen 4.08. Now see, it is very important for gas to trade above 4.1 today. Then what we should aim for? We should aim for 4.2, 4.4 zone, which is easily achievable. Notice after the rise, consolidation, and if it gives you or it is given a breakout, so possibly more bullishness might prevail, where 4.2, 4.4 zone should be seen here. Moving averages have started to look upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. And see, only thing is here is 3 bullish candles are done. A possible retracement can be there, but I'll say you have to be cautious here, specifically on the downside. Now 3.8, which was the resistance, should act as a greater support, and as long as now 3.8 is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD divergent, the MACD is turning bullish, good sign for the bulls here as well. RSI is rising. So looking at that, I'll recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying beyond 4.0608 zone, you can expect 4.1 as the first target. Once it stays beyond 4.1, ideally we should aim for 4.2 levels as the next targets. Once it trades beyond 4.2, you can expect 4.24, 4.28, and then 4.4 levels very, very soon. Though it is going to get difficult as in how it rises on the upside. While on the downside, the selling entry can be taken at around 4.0402 levels. Expect 3.98 as the first target zone. Below 3.98, more bearishness should take it towards 3.94. And if 3.94 is taken, stay short for 3.9, 3.86, and 3.8. I do not expect a complete reversal. I do not expect it to trade below 3.8. But yes, these are markets. This is getting slightly overbought. Though this is natural gas, it can do wonders. However, you have to be exercise caution, specifically on the downside. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do all that. Thank you.